Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to activate a game key on Ubisoft Connect. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Ubisoft application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Ubisoft if you haven't already done that. And if you're having struggles with downloading of course, Ubisoft, you can go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how-to videos where you can check out how you can actually go and download Ubisoft Plus. But now guys, let's see how you can actually, what we have in front of us. On the left side of the screen, we have the home, library, store, and Ubisoft Plus. In the bottom, we have, as you can see, download manager and the subscribe button in the top right corner. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and activate a game key on Ubisoft Connect. So first of all, log into your account as I told you, and then click on the three lines here, on your profile, and click key activation. Then here you need to enter your game key you received, making sure to include any dashes or spaces as shown. As you can see, activation code may look like this. We have an example here and here. Then after that, you just need to go and click activate to add the game to your library. Once activated, you can download and play the game from your Ubisoft Connect library. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.